Back to Further Solutions Academy. On this video, I'll be walking you through on Hemisphere. Don't forget to share this video, subscribe if you have not subscribed before. In the last video, we have explained what is called sphere, which is, I know that ball, any other things. But this time around, we are talking about Hemisphere. Now, Hemisphere is just like we cut off the ball into two. You're cut off orange. Now, when your ball becomes, when the thing tear up and you cut it into two, look at this. I have something like this. I have something like this. And I have something like this. Okay, a very good example is the orange one. Orange would be the best thing to bring to this class. I'm sorry, but manage. We are talking about cut off of what? Sphere. Now, that is what we mean by hemisphere. Now, don't forget that here it has radius. Are you with me? And it has, here is called flat circular face. And here is called curve surface area. And this is a radius. Anyway, this is a radius. Now, what we just need to understand here is that volume of this particular sphere of a hemisphere will be equals to 1/2, because the ball has been cut off, multiplied by 4/3 pi r cube. Here 1, here 2. It means it will be equals to 2/3 pi r cube. That is the volume. That is the volume of what? Hemisphere. Now, total surface area of this hemisphere will be equals to curve surface area, curve surface area plus area of the flat circle. Circular face. Now, it means my curve surface area, it means total surface area of hemisphere will be equals to 2 pi r squared plus pi r squared, which is 3 pi r squared. That is the curve surface area. Now, that is what you just need to learn here. Okay, that's what you just need to learn here. Now, for your information, let me try to show 1 or 2 questions that very will help us to illustrate. Permit me to write out the question. Okay, let's work on this question. Okay, the question comes this way. Find the volume and the total surface area of the solid hemisphere of diameter 14 centimeters to 3 significant figures. If the density of the material used to make the hemisphere is 7.5 grams per cm3, what is the mass of the hemisphere in gram to 3 significant figures, taking pi as 3 whole number 1/7. Now, I just want us to work on this particular problem. Now, the first thing I will do, my r will be equals to diameter all/2, which is what is around 14/2, which is equals to what? 7 centimeters. It means my r equals to 7 centimeters. That's the first thing I will do. Now, from this particular area, I can now find the volume. My volume will be equals to 2/3 pi r cube, which implies I have 2/3 multiplied by, it was given 3 whole number 1/7 multiplied by which is going to be 7 raised to power 3, which I can say that this times this and this, which will be what? It will be equals to 2 all over 3 multiplied by 22 all over 7, 7 times 49. This will cancel this, and this plus this plus this, it will be 13. 13 cannot divide this. Okay, now I can now say that what? Everything will now be what? 22. I mean, 2 all over 3 multiplied by 22 multiplied by 49, which it will be equals to 718.66 centimeter cube. Now, approximately equals to, we are told to a 3 significant figure. It means 719 centimeter cube. Approximately equals to 719 centimeter cube. Now, I've successfully approximated that. That one is out of the story. B, you are asked to find the density of the material when if the density of the material used is to make the hemisphere is what? 7. Now, it means my density, if I'm not making a mistake. Okay, sorry, there's something I'm not getting. I'm finding total surface area also. Sorry. Now, it means before we talk about B, now total surface area of this particular area will be what? 3 pi r squared, which I'll be having 3 multiplied by 22 all over 7 multiplied by what? 7 squared, which is going to be what? It will be 3 multiplied by 22 multiplied by 7, which I'll be having, is it 3? Yes, I'm very correct. Yes, I'm correct. Now, which I'll be having 462 centimeters squared. Sorry, that is the total surface area. Now, I can now go to the next question now, which it asks for if the density of the material used to make the hemisphere is what? Is 7.5 gram per cm cube. What is the mass of the hemisphere in gram? In kilogram? To what? 3 significant figures, taking pi as this. Now, solution to this particular, which is B. Now, if I were you, we were told that what? Mass of the what? Hemisphere equals to what? Density multiplied by what? Volume. Density multiplied by volume. Now, what is our density? My density, which is my density, equals to 7.5 gram per cm cube. And my volume is already given, which is going to be what? V equals to 718. Is it 719? Sorry. 719 cm cube. It means my mass will be equals to 7.5 multiplied by what? 718, which is, it will be in gram now. It will be in gram now, which I will be having when I multiply this together. It will be, okay, let me use 18 point for accuracy. Let me use 18.66. Is it 18.66? Yes, 18.66 for accuracy purpose. 18.66 in gram. Now this will give me 5389.95 gram. Now, which is to what? To kilogram. Now to kilogram, it means 512. That will be 0.38995 kilogram. Now, approximately equals to 5.39 kilogram. That is my answer. Now, I'll be stopping here because of our time. Don't forget that you can understand hemisphere. Don't forget to share and subscribe. Once again, thanks for watching.